You're in calculus with your friends, they're upset. They're going off about something Villano said. We don't get those trig functions like she does. We're in the classroom, it's a typical calculus class. Listening to the lecture we just cannot grasp. We want to learn derivatives with her. Sine x is cosine x, let's go learn the next. Cosine x is negative sine x. Dreaming about the day when we wake up and find that trigonometric functions were easy the whole time. If you can see the tangent x is secant squared x, been there all along. Why don't you understand these derivatives? These derivatives. Cosine x is negative sine x. Cotangent x equals negative cosecant squared x. Sitting in the classroom thinking to myself, dude, this is so easy. Secant x equals secant x, tangent x. Villano sees them playing cards in the back desk. Collects the cards and asks the guys who won. Points to herself and says, no, I'm no one. She wears high heels, they wear sneakers. She's in command because she is the teacher. Dreaming about the day when they wake up and find that the lesson was going to be on the test the whole time. If you can see that Miss Villano's amazing, speaks 7 languages and sings at St. Raymond's, and it's you, and passed all of her AP tests. Teaching us everything that she knows, never giving up on our very noisy class, telling us jokes and making us laugh and cry.
Oh, I remember she told us about limits and the love.
Low pigtails, fool.
The answer is the back, then we get out the long way.
The unit circle limits and derivatives aren't hard as they once seemed to be. Thanks to Miss Villano. Sitting here in the classroom thinking about how fast this year went by. Should have paid attention. Should have paid attention. You belong in calculus. Did you ever think